Welcome back. Officials of the Margao Municipal Council on Tuesday continued with their anti-encroachment drive in Gandhi Market. The defaulter vendors had last week taken a morcha to the MMC office objecting the cleanup of drive. MMC has restarted the drive, sending a no-fear signal to the people objecting the official work. On Tuesday, MMC began the anti-encroachment drive in Gandhi Market. Market Inspector Mohan Alekar informed that he has been instructed by the Traffic Control Section as there is an acute shortage of parking space in the market. Vendors had encroached the parking space. On Tuesday, the MMC officials cleared all possible encroachments and extensions. Village Group has condemned ex-Minister Babu Asgaonkar's attitude towards this anti-encroachment drive.
Gandhi Market parking ad ha. तिथे ओबीसी लोक हा तांकां फाटी शिफ्ट करपा खातीर तात्पुरते तेजे डंपिंग केलें सामान हांवें जप्त केलेलें हा. तांकां बसनाका म्हणून तांकां बसपाचें आनी कशें बसपाचें हें तेंचे डिवायस हाडून सर्वे करून पळयतात. त्या प्रमाणे मुखार हँडकट आसलेले. ते हँडकट इतले फुडें आसलेले की पार्किंग वाले जागो ठेवपाक मेळना आसलो. पार्किंग वाले म्हणटाले पार्किंग करता ते वेंडर्स वाले ताका मारपाक वयताले आनी म्हणटाले ना करपाक जायना. तेंच्यांनी 3-3 मिटर प्लास्टीक भायर हाडलेलें आनी त्या खातीर त्या पार्किंग वाले चलले. आपणें जालें म्हाका हे उपेग ना. कोणाक पार्किंग चलता लायनी भितर येलो लायन म्हणजे ते भितर पार्किंग दवरपाचें. त्या प्रमाणे आतां हांवें पळयलें येलो लायन आहा त्या प्रमाणे तेंचे गाडी भितर घेतले आनी हेज्या फुडें जर ते फुडें येतात ताका हांव जप्त करतलो.
Our reporter from Margao, Savio Dice. Now news from sports. Dempo Sports Club are yet to clinch the highly weighted deal with Bollywood superstar Shahrukh Khan. Chairman Shrinivas Dempo feels that it will be mid-July at least till a stake in the 5-time I-League champion club is sold to Shahrukh. Dempo believes that most of the points are discussed, but some key issues need to be sorted out before finalizing on the investment of Shahrukh, who owns Kolkata Knight Riders in IPL.
Dempo had earlier thought that the deal will go through by the end of June, but a busy schedule in particular for actor Shahrukh meant the Bollywood Badshah is still off the country.
Most of the issues have been ironed out. The only practical problem is Mr. Khan is still in London and he is expected down by the first week of July. So one final meeting is required between the two of us to actually sit, and now the issues have boiled down to maybe 2 or 3 that we need to take a final decision on. Things like how much stake he's going to take, what will be his involvement in the club. So issues like that need to be discussed face to face with him. So hopefully if all those things come to an agreement, we hope to close by probably the second week of July, that we should be able to formally say that Mr. Khan is with us as an investor in the team.
The most important thing for Dempo is Shahrukh's involvement in the club, and once that commitment is finalized, Dempo will go ahead with the deal.
Sure, I think more important than the money at this stage is his absolute involvement in the game. Not only in terms of just presence at the stadium, that is of course important. I think also I'm told he's a fantastic motivator, spending time with the team, the coaches, also at the policy level. See, we need somebody like him to drive down the point that we are all talking about. How do we make the league more interesting? How do we market it better? How do we, So those are the things that I want to discuss with him. We have put these points to him. He has some idea as to how he's going to tackle it. But we need some sort of a firm commitment saying that, so to answer your question, yes, the involvement is more important than the money, and we still stick to that.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Dinesh Karpe from Panji.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.